The Financial Investigations Division, FID, is collecting more statements to prosecute those responsible for the multi-billion-dollar fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark reminded the country today that the prosecutors have been reviewing the file to determine if more persons are to be charged. The file was submitted in December 2023.
I've been informed that since that time, the FID and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions have met on several occasions, including within the last month, in regards to the review of the comprehensive and voluminous SSL investigative file. Among other things, the Office of Director of Public Prosecutions has recommended that the FID collects 3 further statements, the process of which has already commenced. I totally understand the frustration and the desire for tangible results. I share these feelings too. However, I ask the public to reflect on the fact that there can be no better demonstration of transparency in this matter than our decision to procure the services of an international forensic audit firm to support an independent and thorough investigation, as we have done.
Now, through the partnership with Kroll, an international forensic auditing firm, the FID said over 200 accounts were affected by the SSL fraud. The fraud has exceeded $30 million, or roughly 4.7 billion Jamaican dollars. The government is asking for patience as investigators and prosecutors review the findings. Jean Ann Panton, a former client relationship officer at SSL, is facing several charges, including forgery, larceny as a servant, and engaging in a transaction involving criminal property.